Hey everyone, so it is Chakra Tuesday today, and we are focusing on the Manipura Chakra or the solar plexus chakra, which is just located just above the belly button. And this chakra is usually associated with the color yellow. It also has a chant that or a sound that you can make while you are meditating on the chakra, and that is Ram. So you can chant that as you are focusing on that chakra, which will help to balance that chakra. And this is what it looks like, the solar plexus chakra. And when this chakra is in balance, you have a strong sense of who you are confident, you aren't controlling, but you can have this assertion to you, but not in a way where you are manipulating others. You tend to have goals, high self-esteem, you are goal-oriented, you seem to have a direction in your life when this chakra is in balance or in harmony. And not only that, you are courageous and motivated. However, if this chakra is disharmonious or out of balance, then you might experience suppressed emotions or not feeling confident about yourself, or maybe there's anger. You might have a weak sense of self, or maybe fear your own inner power, your own inner strength, and you might be focused mostly on the ego. You might be frustrated, or you might feel that your self-confidence is based on what you do. So if you are not achieving what you need to do, or feel that you're not achieving something, then your confidence might drop. But if you are achieving something, then you have high confidence. But with a more balanced chakra, solar plexus chakra, then you will have that confidence will be pretty steady, and no matter what is happening in your life. Some good ways to balance this chakra would be to write down some goals, being more assertive, or learning how to be more assertive, or learning to how to be more confident in what you are doing. Also, you can wear yellow clothing, you can eat yellow foods, or drink yellow drinks like, let's say, lemonade or something like that. You can also use essential oils, something like lemongrass, even just a lemon essential oil might be helpful. You can also chant the chant of Ram to help balance the chakra. So there are a few ways to help bring balance and harmony into the chakra. So we will do a meditation to help bring this chakra back into balance. So get into a comfortable position for a few minutes. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Just keep your eyes closed, placing a hand on that chakra just above your navel. And feel the breath flowing in through the chakra, allowing the belly to rise and then fall with the exhale. And just continue to breathe nice and easy. And bringing your awareness to the Manipura Chakra. And envision a yellow flower. That yellow flower is beginning to bloom and opening to the sun, allowing that flower to expand and grow and become more beautiful, more yellow, more luminescent with every breath. And continue to breathe, relaxing into that breath, relaxing into that visualization, and tending on that chakra to expand and to become more balanced and more harmonious. Visualizing a beautiful yellow flower. And affirm to yourself that you are courageous, that you are deserving and worthy of amazing things, that you are confident, affirm to yourself that it is okay to express yourself, your needs, your wants. It's okay to do the things that make you feel amazing and confident. It's okay to shine your inner light, to express who you really are. And just keep visualizing on that chakra, affirming to yourself that only you determine your own worthiness, and that your worthiness isn't dependent on what you do, that your confidence isn't dependent on any achievements. Just know that you are worthy, that you are courageous, that you are deserving, that you are amazing. And stand in that power, stand in your own power. Own this power. Know your own power. And dedicate to yourself that you will move forward in confidence. Now you can sit here for as long as you like, focusing on this chakra. And whenever you are ready, just take your time to come out of this meditation. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste.